My name is Syncier, and today I'll be presenting my staff pick. Once I saw these items, everything made sense. It was the easiest thing. I got this probably a week into me working here. So I have the personal blender and the scale. I'll walk you guys down what I use both of them for, and they both have been amazing for me to, be on the go, and amazing for me to, maintain my calories and have the right intake that I need for my nutrition. I usually keep my ingredients pretty simple, so I usually put oatmeal. You can choose your choice of milk. I usually go with whole milk, 2 scoops of protein, honey, cinnamon, basics, ice. A lot of times I put at least 1 banana and then some frozen fruit. Put this here, it'll be done in no time. Less than 60 seconds, to be honest, usually for that particular mixture. A lot of people use this to-go capsule. Me personally, I usually finish it before I even get to the car, so that's up to you. In terms of managing and being on top of my meal intake, this scale has been beautiful to calculate my macros, micros, weigh the grams for different things in terms of like my intake due to my weight or my fitness goals at the time. I use this every single day, usually twice a day, but right now I'm cutting. If anyone knows what that means, yeah, I'm cutting right now. I'm just trying to slim down a little bit, even though I'm pretty slim, chisel everything up. So yeah, thank you.